And I don't know if you've ever dug a hole before, but it's maybe the hardest thing you're ever doing in your life. You see it on TV and movies, and it's like, I'll just dig this hole real fast. And then you do it in real life, it's like, I guess it's all CGI, because it's impossible. Even if you're digging the most important hole of your life, you hit a point of just like, all right, that's good enough right there, boys. Might be too deep. Like, well, his hand's sticking out, and you're like, put a leaf over it, dude.